Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of resetting your PayPal password quickly and easily. Follow these step-by-step instructions to regain access to your account. Step 1. Navigate to the PayPal login page. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the PayPal login page at www.paypal.com. Step 2. Click on Having Trouble Logging In. On the login page, you'll see a link that says, Having trouble logging in? Click this link to proceed to the password reset options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Make sure it's the correct email to receive the password reset instructions. Click on Next to continue. Step 4. Choose your reset method. You will be given options on how to receive your password reset link. You can choose to receive an email or a text message if you have a mobile number linked to your account. Select your preferred method and click Next. Step 5. Check your email or SMS. Now, check your email inbox or SMS for the password reset message from PayPal. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Step 6. Click the password reset link. Once you find the email or text message, click on the link provided. This link will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Step 7. Create a new password. On the password reset page, you'll need to enter a new password. Make sure your password is strong. It should be at least 8 characters long, include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again and click Next. Step 8. Log in with your new password. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your PayPal password. Now you can log in using your new password. Just return to the PayPal login page and enter your email address along with your new password to access your account. Don't forget to keep your password secure and updated regularly. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more great content.